Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.